Good morning to each and everyone. We have now a new tutorial on how to edit a video. Edit first the video before you upload in the YouTube or in your YouTube videos, YouTube account. Okay, so first we will use the Kinemaster or Kinemaster, whatsoever. Just follow the steps and you will learn how to edit a video using the Kinemaster. Just follow the steps and watch the whole video and enjoy. It's very simple to use the Kinemaster. Just select the video you want to edit and insert the intro and outro and edit what you need to edit the video. Parang lasing lang, putik na buhay. So just follow the steps, just follow the video. It's very simple, very easy. You will learn and just enjoy. Okay. Okay, and now we will going to insert a music background on our video. Okay, so just click the audio and then music or the songs, and you will see your downloaded videos, music I mean. Then you try to play and select what is the best music background for your video. Okay, so just follow the steps and enjoy. Okay, and if you're done putting inserting a music in the video, then it's all set. Then all you have to do is press at the right upper right button, that is the box with arrow. Just click that and you will save the video in order to the video to be saved in the gallery. Okay, so to those who are new in my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to all in order to be updated on my new videos. Thank you to all the my supporting documents, Team Marites, Team Botakal,